it really helps to have so many companies that are so diverse as funders to the foundation, because each of them bring different strengths. And that has only worked to improve our impact and go deeper and do things that we couldn't even imagine. A simple example, we launched when COVID hit. We wanted to do something for the health sector. Most other companies went out and gave oxygenators and masks, but we wanted to go a little deeper than that. So we actually looked at the landscape of Maharashtra and some other states and spoke to the health authorities there. What they came back to us with saying is that there wasn't enough infrastructure in rural or semi-urban towns, enough health infrastructure. A lot of people who fell sick either didn't get the right treatment and suffered gravely for it, or were traveling long distances to get access to get decent healthcare. This was particularly a problem with COVID because you were carrying the virus from one place to the other. To counter that, we came up with an idea of setting up portable cabins, which was something that KEC, an infrastructure company in our group, use on their sites. So it was very easy for us to procure them, to fit them, and we fit them in these remote towns where there was no health facility as health fever clinics. They were such a huge success. Doctors were coming, rather than the patients traveling to the hospitals, doctors were traveling to these clinics, providing health services to people. So just an example of how being associated with an infrastructure company helped us to provide an effective solution on the ground. So that just multiplies with all the companies we have and all their strengths. We're able to leverage a lot more strengths in bringing impact.